loves, welcome back to Simply Subrena. I'm Subrena. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching this video. If you are not a subscriber already, definitely make sure you subscribe to join the love. Also, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up to share the love. It really helps my channel out and I really do appreciate it. So today I am coming here with a hair growth video, which is so long overdue. So long overdue. I know. Bad Subrena. I'm sorry, but I'm finally here with it. And I am basically going to be showing you guys the method, my #1 method that I use while I'm wearing wigs, particularly to grow my hair and how my hair grew so fast. So this is done every other night. When I'm really consistent, I try to do it every other night. So basically every 2 days. On a lazy week, probably like twice a week, but my best results always came from doing it every other night. You don't need to do it every night. I don't feel like you need to, especially if you're using the Simply Hair Growth Oil. You don't need to use it every night because once you apply it, it usually takes a couple days before it really soaks into your hair strands and your scalp. So the method I'm using, if you are an OG YouTube person, watcher, subscriber, even a YouTube content creator, if you've been on YouTube for a while, you have heard of the greenhouse method, and that's what I use. I love that method. I feel like it's just easy and it really penetrates whatever oil you put on your scalp. It's really going to penetrate your scalp and your hair shafts. So I love this method. So along with technique, I do believe the products you use are important. I feel for hair growth, product is 70% and the other 30% is technique and actually using them. You can have the hair growth aid, but if you're not applying it, if you're not using it, if you're not taking it, what you doing? It ain't gonna work. So you guys know I use my Simply Hair Growth Oil. I've been using this for over a year now, like 2 years now, because I formulated this a while before I actually made it public to you guys to purchase it if you would like. All of the details and the link will be down below. I might even hook y'all up with a coupon code. I might hook y'all up with free shipping because shipping is a bitch. I'm sorry, it really is. I didn't know. I'm starting to pay attention. But yeah, I might hook y'all up with a free shipping coupon code. So definitely check below. I am going to hook y'all up with a coupon code for the website where you can get this. But this is what I have been using for a while. I love it. Everyone that has purchased so far, all the comments I'm getting back, they love it. They love how it smells. They love how it makes their hair feel just even after one use. It has been helping people with their dandruff. I just opened up the site to start getting reviews. I haven't even checked it, but I read a few of it. But yeah, if you have purchased the Simply Hair Growth Oil, please comment down below your experiences so far, the changes that you've seen in your hair so others can see. Maybe if they have the same kind of hair growth problem or just scalp issues that you may have, they can see how this oil may work for them. I really appreciate it, and I'm sure they would appreciate it too, not just coming from me. They want to hear other people's experiences as well. But this is what I'm going to use for my hair growth oil. Now, this is a topical application growth aid. There are, of course, internal applications such as hair growth vitamins. There's metabolism. There's the Nature's Bounty I told you guys about, the hair, skin, and nail gummy vitamins that I used to take. Just any hair, skin, and nails vitamin, you can do that as well. If you just want to take a pill every day, that's fine. For people who want a topical solution, that's what hair growth oils are for. For people who have dandruff and just scalp issues, a topical treatment is what you need, because vitamins, yes, they'll make your hair grow, but that's not going to help with your scalp issues. And a lot of the times when your hair growth is stunted, it's because of scalp issues. So now that we've just got all of that out the way, there's a lot of information, I know. Let's get to it. So yeah, I'm under a wig. If you guys are curious about this unit, how I got this style, more than likely the video is already up. I will leave that down below as well. This is beauty supply store hair. Yes, girl. Looking flawless. So definitely check down below if you're curious about this hair as well. But let's go ahead and take it off. So, and my braids are, is it a week old? A week old? But I've been oiling my scalp, so they look a little cray-cray because my hair is growing. But basically, so my hair in braids, your hair would be in whatever braid pattern you do for your wigs. My hair is pretty fine, so I feel like I don't need super small braids, and I just don't feel like taking out all those braids when it's time to take it out. So this is just what I do. It's flat enough for me. So you're going to take your hair growth oil, and basically you're just going to oil your scalp. So that's the first step. That's it. And you want to give yourself basically a little scalp massage while you're working it in your hair, because you want to make sure it actually gets through your braids. So I literally work it in my scalp. Damn. Okay, so you also want to make sure you get your edges, girl. Get them edges. You can never, ever, ever forget about the edges. And then what I usually do is whatever's left over on my fingers, I will literally just go over my braids and the ends of my hair. So I literally just work everything in and just try to get everything off into the actual length of my hair to basically just moisturize those and keep those looking good. And literally my hands are like dry now. So after that, you just want to kind of clip your ends up. You're going to take a shower cap or just something plastic that's not going to ruin your sheets or just see through, because you want to trap all of this oil in. And this is literally my designated shower cap for this. And you're just going to put that on. And then what you want to do is use a scarf. Again, you're trying to trap in heat. So when you put on this scarf, it's going to trap in your body heat while you're sleeping. I do this overnight. I don't know if I mentioned that, but this is an overnight technique. I mean, if you want to do it throughout the day while you're just sitting at home, just put it on. And then while you're at home, that's fine too, but I just do it overnight. So you put on your scarf as well. And this again is going to help trap in your body heat while you're sleeping. So this is not only giving your hair the environment to really, it'll open up your pores, your hair strands, your hair shaft will be open up, so it will really get the benefits of the oil that you just put on your hair as well as your scalp. So it will really drink it up, as well as when it's producing heat, that heat is also going to produce moisture, and that moisture, of course, naturally is going to moisturize your hair strands as well. So anytime I take down, or whenever I did a video and I was taking out my braids from my wigs, you're like, oh my God, your hair looks so moisturized in your braids, and like, how do you keep your hair so moisturized? This is the technique. Not only is it a good growth aid, but it also produces, that's what I'm looking for. It produces a moisturizing environment for your hair. So right now your hair is literally in a hair growth, hair moisturizing oven, literally. And it's just drinking all of this up. And then after that, I would put on my bonnet because it's like an extra enforcement to make sure my scarf doesn't go anywhere. And I got this huge bonnet because whenever I do flexor rods and stuff and I need my hair to last, this helps because it doesn't like smush your style. I got this from Amazon. So yeah, you guys can just search like large bonnet on Amazon. It will be there. So that is really it. Like, so right now I would literally just go to sleep. When you wake up in the morning, your hair, when you take it off, as soon as you get up, that's when I do. Your hair is going to be a little bit damp, but literally it dries like in no time. Like by the time you touch your hair after you take it off, it's going to be like dry. It just has that little bit of moisture like on it, but it dries in no time. So yeah, that is what I've been doing. That's my #1 method for hair growth under my wigs. When I'm not wearing a wig, I literally would just oil my scalp, massage it in, and just style my hair and go. I am going to try to bring different methods that I use the oil, but I'm typically always in wigs, but when I am wearing my hair out, I will definitely come back and try to make a video if you guys want to see that. But honestly, I'm just oiling my scalp, massaging it, and then going about my business because my hair is probably already styled and stuff like that. But this is one method I really actually wanted to make a video to show you guys, because this is what I'm using and this has been the most beneficial in my hair growth journey so far. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, definitely let me know. If you guys have any other like hair growth routine that you guys do with oils or topical treatments, definitely leave them down below. I'm very curious to maybe explore and try others, and then just so other people can see other methods you can use as well. But yeah, I think that's it. If you guys have any questions, please leave them down below. I will definitely make sure to answer them because I know you guys are like on it. Y'all are on it with your hair growth journey, and I'm so proud of y'all, and I wish y'all happy hair growing. Yeah, I will see y'all in the next video because I'm looking like somebody mama. Well, I am somebody mama, but you know what I mean. Bye, loves.
Me never had a girl quite like me,